In my last short, Stop Holding It Like This, Channel View 8854 said I might think about bolting it to something solid. So I thought about it. I've got this vise mounted right over the leg of a heavy metal table, bolts tight, but it still wobbles when I start working on a part. The whole setup still moves. At first, it's logical to think something is loose. That's where most people go. Check the table and vise for anything loose. Fair enough. These aren't forever tools. Over time, you'll get some wear. A little play in the jaws, some backlash in the screws loosen on the table. That's normal. But that's not what this is. What's happening here is leverage. The part is up high, the force is applied out away from center, and the whole bench becomes a lever. Even with the vise mounted correctly, the system can still move. It's not failing at the vise. It's the whole setup moving together. So the fix isn't just the vise, it's also the table it's mounted on. You can work around it. Keep the part close to the jaws, shorten the leverage, be mindful of how you're applying force. That helps. I've done that plenty of times. Most of us do. We adjust and keep working. But there comes a point where you've got to stop and call it what it is. This isn't wear. This isn't a loose bolt. This is a setup problem. If the bench can move, it will move. And when it moves, your cuts aren't as clean, your holes wander, and everything takes more effort than it should. You're fighting the setup instead of focusing on the work. Much of the time, we just put up with stuff like this. It works well enough, so we keep going. That's human nature. But every now and then, you've got to step back, recognize what's wrong, and fix it properly. Once you do, everything gets easier. Thanks to Channel View 8854 for your constructive comment. Next up, we are going to take a look at things affecting your drilled hole sizes. Thanks for watching. There's more to come.